Hello student. Today we are doing question and answers of chapter 3 Fiber to Fabric. So we start for question 1. What is sericulture? We read that for obtaining the silk we rear the silkworm. So what is sericulture? The rearing of silkworm for obtaining silk is called sericulture. Question 2. Name some animal which give us wool. Student, in this chapter we read that we get wool from the hairs of some animal. So, the wool yielding animals are sheep, angora goat, yak, camel and alpaca. The third question is, what is selective breeding? Student, we read in a chapter that the process of selective parents for obtaining special character in their offspring that means child, such as soft underhair in sheep is termed as selective breeding. So, in this chapter we read that to getting only the soft hair sheep, we select the parents which have only soft underhair. So, what is selective breeding? The process of selecting parents for obtaining special character of their child. This term is called selective breeding. So, the answer of question 3rd is the process of selecting parents for obtaining special characters in their offspring is termed as selective breeding. The next question is, what is meant by the following terms? Rearing. Student 1 is, what is rearing? The process of keeping, feeding, breeding and taking care of animals is called rearing. We read in a chapter that we rear sheep for getting wool. We rear silkworm for obtaining silk. So, what is rearing? The process of keeping, feeding, breeding and taking care of animal is known as rearing. The next question is, the next term is shearing. The fleece. What is the meaning of fleece? Hairs. The hair of the sheep along with a thin layer of skin is removed from its body and this process is called shearing. Student, we read in a chapter that to getting the wool, the first process is shearing. And what is shearing? When we remove the hair of the sheep along with a thin layer of skin, this process is called shearing. The next one is sericulture. And we read that the rearing of silkworm for obtaining the silk is called sericulture. Okay. The next question is, what is the mean by reeling of silk? So, the process of taking out thread for the cocoon for use as a silk is called reeling the silk. Okay. We read that we get the silk from silkworm. So, after that we read the life cycle of silkworm and we read that caterpillar secreted a protein which expose in air and form a fiber. And these fiber cover the caterpillar and form cocoon. So, what is reeling of the silk? The process of taking out the thread. From this cocoon we get the thread. So the process of taking out the thread from the cocoon for use as silk is called reeling of silk. Student, reeling is done in a special machine which unwing the thread or fiber of the silk from cocoon. Okay. The next question is, draw the life cycle of silkworm. Student, here you see the adult moth. We read in a chapter that adult moth give 100 of the eggs in a time. Okay, so female moth lay tiny eggs and this eggs form larva. So this larva eat mulberry leaf caterpillar. Okay, the caterpillar feed on mulberry leaves for about 3 to 4 weeks. Each of them then spin a cocoon around itself. Okay, it form the cocoon, and then the caterpillar change into the pupa inside the cocoon, and then pupa change into adult moth. Okay, so this is the question and answers of this chapter.